Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be battling with the Cosmo gear that is going to come out in 110 days. We are going to be battling with it early because we have Prodigy hacks on. This is what it looks like. Heart bonus of 10, and then there are going to be no chest plates or whatever you want to call them outfits for this season. So that's why we're going to be using the cake attire. And then the wand, we have the cosmic sword. And the boots, we have the cosmic boots. So yeah, this is going to be pretty fun. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video.
Okay, so here we are. We are going to be battling, and can't remember what this is called. We are probably going to have battle crash when the battle ends, meaning that we are going to have to reload or leave a lot. We are going with Glycel and Aqua Dial, but I'm sure we're not going to have to get to them. And let's use this very cool armor. So we do want 4,126, but we still got to use our multi attack. Probably wasn't a good idea to start off with a electric. If we want to do that, we'll use falling star smash and then um our all out attack, and then we can go to a different place to battle. So we do 4,155. They're probably not going to do very much. I guess I'll use Splashdown right here because then we won't have a chance to use Splashdown in the later battle. Let's just go ahead and use it. What shape is this? This is a quadrilateral. So we do our spell and do 2,961. Obviously not going to be powerful because we're facing electric or storm type, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I didn't actually get to show you the one animation. It kind of looks weird. Normally ones don't have an animation, but this one kind of it looks different. Okay, so there we go. 4,144. Not going to take him out, but that we can't really do anything about that. So it misses. I think that's the second time it's missed. We'll use Falling Star Smash and win the battle. So yeah. And there we go. We won the battle, and let's look for a battle crash. Okay, so let's see. Do we get battle crash? Yep, there we go. We have been inactive for too long. Some of you guys are probably about to go into the comments and say, Daviday, can you hack my account? It will break your account, and also don't hack unless it's for I'm doing it for entertainment purposes so that you guys can see how this stuff looks and all, but don't hack Prodigy overall. And also, if I hack your account, then you won't be able to get future arena awards because then it will break all of Harmony Island in the arena. So yeah, that's another reason why hacking is not great if you want to do it on your main account. So we're going to head to Bonfire Spire so we can use the wand against what it is best against. So let's X out of that and go down. Here we go. We are going to face a puck. I don't think this is going to have two people on it, or two pucks. Okay, it does, meaning that it will be good to use a multi-attack. Let's go ahead and use Splashdown. Okay, so we got the answer correct. Let's see how much this does. 41, 43, and I did not see how much the other one did. I think it's 41, 32. So it's pretty powerful. And yeah, that's really all I gotta say about it. And I think I just used an Astral Element one, which is not. And I got the question wrong because I can't read from this small. It says counting up by tens. I didn't see that because I wasn't reading. because I'm trying to get the little video recorder out of the bottom so that it looks better for you guys. But then I can't see. So yeah. Okay, so there we go. We got the question correct. And we should take out both of them. So yeah, I wish I could do an arena battle or a battle against someone. I probably could. Let me see if I can battle my brother, and I'll be right back.
Battle of viewers.
Okay, so he doesn't want to do it. Okay, so as you might have been able to hear in the background, he didn't want to battle. Not very surprising, but yeah, that's pretty much going to end up the video. I'm going to go head into Lamplight Town to try and get banned for a second. And yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's see if we can find anybody else with this. Okay, so yeah, there we go. We probably got reported by now. And yeah, that's going to end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, as I said like a few seconds ago for you. Don't hack Prodigy, and bye.